It's October 29th, 2012, Hurricane Sandy, and I just wanted to show you some of the impact of the downdraft of wind on the river in front of me. Wait till a good gust comes along and you'll see what happens with the water. Those are just little ones. I don't know how much you can see that, but when the wind hits the water, it looks like a million bait fish scattering in any direction. Look at this one coming over here, up by that commercial fishing boat. There's a good puff coming there. Anyway, it's pretty cool. I hope it translates to video.